Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make TikTok videos. If you're using TikTok and you want to make TikTok videos, let's see how you can do that. You have to simply open your TikTok app here. Very first, to make videos or to follow someone, you need an account. Simply tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and here you have to log in with your account. Once you have logged into your account, you go to home. Now you can like videos. You can follow anyone, or if you want to open anyone's profile, simply go to the video and here swipe to left, and you'll get the profile here. And you can easily follow them from here by tapping on follow option. Now, if you want to create a video, simply tap on this plus option, and here you will get on your camera section. Here, if you want to add any sound, just tap on add sound option, and we'll go to music library. You just have to select this music you want to set as. For example, I'm going to select this one. Select that. You can make a take a preview of that song, then tap on the plus option and done. So it will be added to your video. So now you can use effect or different effects from here or filters if you want to. So now if you want to take a video, so you can select the time for which you want to make a video. It might be 50 seconds, 60 seconds, or 10 minutes. You just have to select. So from here, you can select different filters, your speed, your beautify, or you can also select different layouts from here. So whenever you have done, you have to start to take a video. Keep a long press on it, it will start recording. So once you have done, you just have to release this, the video will be done. Just tap on this turn option here and you have to get a preview of your video. You can easily edit it from here if you want to add it by using different features. You can add stickers, effects, filters, different voices. You can stream your sound, you can customize volume, or you can also edit your video from here. Just tap on the next option. Once you have done, add your description, hashtags, mentions here. You can also add location. You can add any link here. Then you can select who can see your video or your post. So here are some more options. So you just have to make them all, and after that you just have to tap on this post option, and your video will be posted to your Facebook, your TikTok account. So in this way you can easily make a TikTok video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.